There's huge pressures for companies today to create a software architecture that's going to deliver value to customers cheaply, that's going to be easy to change, that's going to be flexible and easy to maintain.
So in order to do that, you move away from a monolith to microservices, you move to the cloud, containers, orchestration, and machine learning.
For your teams, that means that you need to get fluency with some of these cloud-native technologies like Kubernetes or Docker or Terraform or even classical things like Python. And doing that just takes hands-on practice.
O'Reilly interactive coding environments are how you learn by doing, because the best way to learn a new technology is by jumping in and actively exploring it. Sandboxes give you hands-on experience with technologies like Python, Kubernetes, Docker, and more, right from your browser. Labs offer the same kind of live, pre-configured environment, but with step-by-step guided instruction, so you can practice solving problems in real-world situations and be ready when you encounter them in production. If you're a member of a team, enterprise, or government account, you also have access to Cloud Labs. With Cloud Labs, you can gain experience and build expertise with today's most important technologies. Like all labs, Cloud Labs offers step-by-step guidance by top professionals. But only Cloud Labs provide temporary access to a live cloud account, so you can safely practice solving real business problems using real cloud resources, either from the integrated CLI terminal or from the Cloud Console UI. Get started with interactive learning today and be better prepared for tomorrow.